Good morning, guys. It is Tuesday, April 6th. Hopefully, you guys had a good break and got to eat lots of good food. Hopefully, maybe see some family and friends as well and just get a nice little break from school. Um, so, we are going to go over our warm up. This is starting week 31. And you'll notice that we're kind of going back through chapter 5 since we're doing a review this week and having a test. Your warm-up questions are going to kind of be like review questions just to look back at prior knowledge and information we've covered. So today's warm-up question is, a gene with 3 or more alleles for a single trait is said to have what? Or what is this definition? We've had a warm-up similar to this, so look back at your chapter 5 key terms, look back through the 5.1 guided reading notes. And again, a gene with 3 or more alleles for a single trait is said to have what? Once you're done with today's warm-up, we're going to jump over to Schoology and I'll walk you through what we're doing. All right, so on Schoology, we are going to be starting our Chapter 5 review today. So if you click on today's folder, you have the warm-up assignment, obviously, and then you have our review assignment. So I do also have a folder that has all the answer keys from the notes and guided readings that we've done. In case you missed something or you didn't have a copy of this since you're like new to the class, or you just don't know where yours went. So the answer keys are all there. You have the chapter 5 key terms, you have the guided reading, you have the fill-in notes, and that's what you're going to need for the review. So you can use those, or you can obviously pull yours back up and find those. But what you're going to do is click on the review assignment, make a copy of your review, and then it looks like this. So you have 40 questions of the review to complete. And I have them broken down by section. So you'll go through each section and answer the questions. I would suggest where it says like defining, you look at your chapter 5 key terms. And you can, by all means, copy and paste the key term definition. So that's the easy place to find all those definitions. If you want to look in the textbook or look through your notes, you can as well. But you have definitions, then you have some questions to answer. You can answer those from your guided reading or your notes. When you get to section 5.3, you are going to need to go back through the textbook section to answer some of the final questions, just kind of summarizing, since the guided reading notes don't cover everything. Again, because this review is so long, we are going to be starting the review today. And I would suggest trying to get a section or two done or get about half of the review done, so about 20 questions. And then we're going to continue working on the review tomorrow, so Wednesday. So you have time to go back through, finish up the review tomorrow. And then on Thursday, we'll be playing a review game. We'll have like an answer check for the review so you can make sure you have everything correct. If you need to make any changes, you can turn it in then. You can turn it in when you're done, whenever. But then we will have our quiz later in the week as well. So you have today and tomorrow dedicated completely to just working on the review. So again, like I said, I would take today, work through like half of the review, get a good chunk of it done, and then you can finish it up tomorrow. So if you have any questions, please let me know. Otherwise, everything is in the folder for you guys. And you should be good to get started on that, and then make sure you're getting your other classes done as well. Have a good Tuesday.